मंत्रिमंडळ बसकेवेळार अजेंड्यांतल्या 35 मुद्द्यांक मान्यताय मेळ्ळ्या। 18 गुन्यांव मुक्तीकरणांत दुरुस्त्यो आनी 17 नियमीत मुद्दे। एससी आनी एसटी समुदायाच्या गुणवान विद्यार्थ्यांक फुकट लॅपटॉप दिवप, तशेंच गोंय राज्य पत्रकार संरक्षण कायद्या वांगडा उद्योगीक धोरणाचेर आशिल्लो मसुदो चालीक लावप, तशेंच कायद्यात दुरुस्ती करपाचे प्रस्ताव मांडल्यात। आरडीएक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
5 आशिल्ले भितरले 18 डिक्रिमिनलायझेशन ऑफ द डिफरंट लॉज ऑफ द डिफरंट डिपार्टमेंट 18 आयटम 17 आयटम वेगवेगळे आशिल्ले। सुरवातीकूच ते आज एकदम चड आयटम आशिल्ले म्हणून सांगले। पयल्यान पयली एक्स पोस्ट फॅक्टो एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव्ह अप्रुवल एंड एक्सपेंडिचर सॅंक्शन फॉर द series of the lecture which we have conducted for the 60th year of the Goa liberation. Second, it is a proposal for the scheme for the providing free laptop to the meritorious students belonging to the scheduled tribes and scheduled caste community under the tribal subplan and scheduled caste subplan. Okay. Amendment to the Goa Cooperative Society Act 2001 decriminalizations. Appointment of the N.D. Agrawal, ex-collector of the South Goa, and as the advisor in the Department of the Printing Press. It is introduced in the Legislative Assembly. Draft of the Goa Industrial Growth and Investment Promotion Policy, the Industrial Policy 2022. Kaal Minister Nela announced केली, ते आम्ही introduce It is a non-acceptance of the recommendation of the Goa Public Service Commission. It is non-acceptance agaila. Okay, it is an amendment into the Goa Regulations of the Land Development of the Building Construction Act 2008, decriminalization. Amendment to the Goa Tax of the Infrastructure Act 2009, again it is a decriminalization. It is an amendment to the Goa Town and Country Planning Act 1974, decriminalization. It is an amendment to the Goa Touristic Place Protection and Maintenance Act 201.